Before I shoot, I wanna play one game. I actually always do this para mabawasan yung tension. Alright, I'm using the Realme 13. I'm on GT mode. GT mode. Wow.
Fear rises.
Ooh. Medyo okay na. 13-13 na. I'm very happy with this game. Kahapon kasi nag-record ako like 3 to 5 games. Girl, kahit na dun sa games na panalo kami, sobrang frustrating. Na-annoy ako sa mga kasama ko. So, alam anong ginagawa ni MM. So, annoyed. This is my annoyed face. Guys, kung nakakalaro niyo ako sa MLBB, tapos this is how I look like when I'm disappointed at my teammates. Nakatakas pa! That's why I cannot be a streamer kasi natatahimik ako pag intense na. But sometimes I do stream via TikTok. So, check nyo yan guys. Follow nyo ako sa TikTok. I super love how comfortable I feel with this phone and hindi talaga hindi nag-drop yung FPS niya. Panalo na kami! We won! Sana gold ako para hindi naman masyadong nakakahiya. Victory! I was MVP! Oh my gosh! Ang galing ko. Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria Jose and this is Diyosa Life TV. Today we have a Technomaria device review. If you want to know more about the Realme 13, keep on watching. I already unboxed the Realme 13 but I haven't uploaded it, so I'm just gonna insert the clips over here so you can see what's inside the box. It's all about my gaming experience with the Realme 13. I got this gadget like 2 weeks ago, but I only opened it and started using it like about a week ago. And so far, I've been very impressed. I do not really consider myself like a hardcore gamer because I've never done it professionally. I do not plan to do it professionally. To me, there are two things that I really look out for or watch out for when I'm reviewing or trying new devices for gaming purposes. Number one is how comfortable is it to use. When I say comfortable, the camera does not really get in the way of my hand movement. In this case, it's not that much of a hindrance. It just fits perfectly when I'm playing Mobile Legends, and then this way when I'm playing Pokemon Go. Those are the two games that I played while reviewing this device. For both instances, the size of the device, even the placement of the camera and the buttons did not bother me. Another factor that contributes to comfortability is how much the device heats up when I use it. For Pokemon Go, not so much a problem because it doesn't get that intense. Hindi naman ganun ka-heavy yung usage niya ng CPU or ng GPU. But, when I'm playing Mobile Legends, 5 to 10 games consecutively, lalo na kung naka-lose streak or naka-win streak ka, tas ayaw mo mag-stop because you want to bawi if you have a lose streak. You also want to push if you have a good winning streak or win streak. So, you will be playing long periods of time. And then sometimes, it gets uncomfortable kasi your device could heat up easily, which, number one, it's uncomfortable. And number two, it's not safe at all. Yesterday, I tried this device for like 3 to 5 games consecutively. hindi talaga siya uminit at all. Like, at all. Totally wala. I didn't get uncomfortable. This device has a vapor chamber cooling system. I think some people already heard about this feature in other devices, but usually, yung feature na yon, hindi talaga siya sa mobile phone. Sa mga gaming laptops siya pinopromote. Mind you, this is a mid-range phone, so ang presyo niya hindi ganon kamahal. It already has a vapor chamber cooling system, which makes for a comfortable gaming experience even if you play for a long time, and also safer as well. Mabilis lang siyang ma-charge. I charged it before I started playing yesterday. It was at 100%, but when I started playing, it was, I think, 97%. After 3 games, it was, I think, 70-something%. So, not bad, right? And then I proceeded to play a few more games. I think 2 more games, so 5 games ng Mobile Legends. I also played a little bit of Pokemon Go and another game that I'm playing. I think hindi talaga siya bumaba ng 70% for 1 to 2 hours, if I'm not mistaken. If you're that kind of intense player that you would play long periods of time, the battery life is not a problem at all. The Realme 13 has a 5000 mAh battery and capable of 45 watts fast charging. It comes with a super VOOC fast charger, very convenient. And napansin ko, yung charger niya, it's not as bulky or as heavy as some other chargers that I'm used to. I'm not so very particular about screen refresh rates or FPS, but this time, I really try to be observant. This is one of the features of this device. When you're gaming, it will have a stable FPS. Hindi siya biglang maglalag or hindi biglang magda-drop yung frame rate mo. Yesterday, I tried monitoring the FPS. It was around 58 or 55 up to 60. Smooth lang yung gaming experience ko yesterday, today, and all the days that I've been using this device for gaming. Hindi magsa-stutter yung display. Ibig sabihin, in the middle of a clash, hindi biglang mawawala yung target mo or hindi biglang tapos na pala yung clash, hindi mo pa nakikita yung mga nangyayari. Oy, Dota players, I think we've all experienced that in the past. Na-X na pala yung hero mo, tapos hindi ka man lang nakabato ng ultimate. Sino nakarelate siya? Give me a comment down below. It has a 120Hz AI eye comfort display. So the screen resolution is 1080 by 240. It is 6.72 inches yung display niya. It has a 120Hz full HD plus eye comfort display. It has the GT mode. The GT mode is a function that allocates the resources. Ibig sabihin your GPU, your CPU, and all the hardware of your phone. It allocates everything into the game that you are playing. So practically speaking, it will yield high frame rates. When the frame rate or the frames per second, FPS yun guys, frames per second, is higher, it means the display looks smoother, mas maganda yung graphics. So aside from gaming, manonotice mo ito when you use your phone for entertainment purposes. So when you're streaming music videos, you're watching online series, movies, the processor that it comes with is a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 or 63,000 5G chipset. It is a highly power efficient processor with a 6nm process. It supports 5G connectivity and stable frame rates for gaming, which will help you maintain the stable 60 FPS. Why is 5G connectivity important to me personally as a casual gamer? When I'm just at home, I'm usually playing Mobile Legends. Here at home naman, I don't really play outside. I don't really care about the 5G connection because I have a reliable fiber connection here at home. There is no lagging or minimal lang yung lagging if at all. However, this is a problem when I'm out and I'm playing Pokemon Go. Because when you're gaming, diba, intense na yung game, ayaw mo na madagdag sa stress mo na biglang naglag. I've had this experience before. Who else here plays Pokemon Go? But when you're doing a raid or when you're trying to catch a Pokemon, tapos biglang naglag or nag-freeze yung frame or na-kick ka sa raid, yun yung worst eh. You're doing a mega raid, for example. Like right now, Giratina yung nire-raid namin. Tapos biglang na-kick ka sa gym. Girl, sometimes you cannot come back. You have to reset your entire mobile device. But now, because the realme 13 has 5G connection and reliable naman yung 5G connection ng aking provider in most parts of Davao City. So, very reliable na siya. I tried using this for Pokemon Go the past week. I think 2 to 3 times na akong lumabas. And I played Pokemon Go with it. Satisfied naman ako. So far, hindi pa ako nakikick sa raid. So far, nahuli ko naman yung mga Giratina or Giratina na nire-raid namin and the other Pokemons that I've tried catching. All in all, I've had a very good gaming experience with this phone. Again, I would like to highlight that I've tried this with both the Pokemon Go. Ooh, let me show you my Pikachu temporary tattoo. And also with the Mobile Legends. I chose those two games because the two games are super contrasting sila. Magkaiba yung experiences mo, magkaiba din yung kailangan mo as a gamer. But I think this phone delivered. Kasi nga, again, for Pokemon Go, I don't really care about the graphics as much or the heating up because you don't play it long periods of time. But important talaga yung connectivity mo, how stable your mobile connection is or your mobile internet is. And this phone delivered. And on the other hand naman, yung experience ko sa Mobile Legends in the past pa, the connectivity doesn't matter as much as long as you have a stable Wi-Fi and data connection, even if it's 4G. But the frame rates do matter. How powerful your chipset also matter. But to me personally, ang important sa akin is the low temperature. Ayaw ko talaga yung nag-overheat yung device, guys. It's very uncomfortable to use. And another thing that also matters to me is how long yung battery life niya. And look naman, it's so pretty. Diba? It's so pretty. Look at that color. May case na to siya, guys, ha. This colorway is called Speed Green. This is also available in dark purple. I like the Speed Green. If you're a K-pop fan, this is exactly the color of my favorite K-pop band, Shiny. Ganda, diba? It's so pretty. I have a tip for you guys. If you are not necessarily a gamer, but you are a creator or somebody who does multimedia work or multimedia tasks for your work or for school, look out for phones, devices, laptops that are sold or marketed as gaming devices. Why? It usually has a good processor that will be able to handle multimedia tasks. Number 2, it usually has good screen display. Like this one, this has 120 Hz AI eye comfort display. So, ibig sabihin, smooth yung display. So, when you're editing a video, maganda yung display. Another thing that usually yung mga gaming devices has is, yun nga, it does not heat up kaagad and mag-efficient yung battery niya, malaki yung battery. Because of course, when you're gaming, diba, yun yung mga things that are important as I've said many times in this video. If you are not necessarily a gamer but you're looking for a sulit na device for your multimedia tasks, again, I think this would be a good device for you guys. Whether you're a yuppie or a student, or somebody who does mga racket, or you're a content creator. I haven't really tried the camera of this yet, but I have edited a few images using Adobe Lightroom here. I haven't tried video editing yet, but I will be doing that soon. I hope I can do that for another video. Let me know, guys, if you're interested in that one. I also want to try new games. Feeling ko, ma-maximize ko yung Realme 13 as a gaming device if I try it with new and different games. So let me know down below what games I should try. I think parang gusto kong i-try yung HOK. Sa tingin nyo, guys, try ko ba yung HOK? I feel like I should try HOK. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that I was able to help you decide if the Realme 13 is the right device for your needs. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or somebody just looking for a sulit phone. We do not have the price yet because this has not been officially launched. But we will know the price and other details, other specs, and other important details about the Realme 13 and other phones in the Realme 13 series this coming October 24 in the afternoon via the Realme Facebook page. All the links will be in the description box. Make sure to watch the live launch so you will know the price and the other key features and highlights of the Realme 13 and the other phones or devices in the Realme 13 series. Personally, I'm very excited about this Realme 13 kasi ganda talaga. Sobrang comfortable ng gaming experience ko sa kanya and I would like to try it out also for video editing and for other multimedia tasks. I wanna try it for other games. Diba? Exciting. So, there you go, guys. That has been everything I can share with you right now about the Realme 13. Ang ganda niya talaga. I can't get over. The color is super pretty. Let me know if you have any questions about this or if you want to suggest any content that I can do with this phone or with this device. I'm very excited. If you're looking for a device that will help you in your limitless speed to victory, check out the Realme 13. The official launch will be on October 24. Maraming pang salamat. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for me and the Realme 13. Again, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and let me know what other games I should try. And wag niyo akong kalimutan i-add also sa Mobile Legends and sa Pokemon. Bye everyone! Thank you for watching.